Let's tame this beast, y'all. Let's tame it. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is having a great week. Happy Thursday. We're gonna kick off this video by first showing you the state of my hair after I have taken out my locks. If you missed that video, I will link it in the cards above, but I've taken them out. It took me about an hour to take them down and detangle my hair. And then we're going to go ahead and wash it. I grabbed the first shampoo I saw in the cabinet, this Garnier Fructis one. And I'm going to be deep conditioning my hair with the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Hair Mask. I've actually been using this hair mask with every wash this past 6 months, I think. So a little goes a long way with this little jar. I think this might have been like the 8th time I've actually deep conditioned with this one jar. So it was definitely a good buy. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and detangle my hair, apply the conditioner, tuck everything into a shower cap or a processing cap, and then I'm going to tie it up. And I'm going to let it sit for about, my intention was 3 hours, but that quickly turned into 5 because I ended up having things to do. Back in the day, I actually used to sleep in my deep conditioner overnight, and I used to get my hair super soft, but nobody got time for that nowadays. But in this case, I ended up going for 5 hours. And here is what it looks like after 5 hours. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse that out and proceed to blow drying my hair. These are my tools of choice today. I could not find my round brush, so I'll be using my boar bristle paddle brush and my carbon rat tail comb for when I flat iron my hair. Right now, I'm just going through and detangling my hair, basically brushing my hair through so that I can work in my sections easier. And then I'm going to apply a blowout cream. This is the one by Beyond the Zone. A little bit goes a long way. I even pumped a little bit too much in that first amount. And I'm just going to brush that through each section before I start blow drying. I picked up this blow dryer off of Amazon some years ago, and it has not failed me yet. I'll be using the concentration nozzle on it. This kind of filters out the heat so that you don't get direct heat on your hair. And usually with my process, I do the tension method first on each section, and then I will brush it through. Again, I wish I had my round brush. That would have made this process much easier, but it still got the job done. When I got done blow drying, I made some discoveries about my hair, some new developments, and so I wanted to share that with you guys. Hope the sound is good so you can hear what I'm saying. Like I said in a couple videos ago, when I had my daughter, all of my hair fell out. Like, I had the worst postpartum shedding. Like, I had bald patches right here. Like, all of my hair fell out. It fell out so bad that I actually had been growing it out during the entire pregnancy, and it was kind of starting to look more like this, but it fell out so bad I ended up having to like go get a haircut. I ended up wearing like a really short bob for the first couple of years. It wasn't until she was like 4 months old and I took like a Christmas picture, and that's when I noticed like how bad the shedding was and how bad my hairline had got. I had like a huge bald patch right there, and I think it was this side. It was this side because I always wear my hair on this side. And I was just like leaning like this, and boom, bald patch. I don't know what I was thinking, but at the same time, I have a hereditary hairline. So it's hereditary from my dad that I have my hairline kind of like scoops like that and kind of makes like a V like that. So typically I'll always just lay this down, you know, that type of thing. So the last couple months I don't feel like I've been stressing out, but you know how your body has a way of telling you that you're stressing out. I've noticed that I've been shedding more. My skin is like beyond dry. Like, my eczema patches are out of this world. I already have really dry scalp, and it's just, for some odd reason during this year, during the year of quarantine, my skin just did not want to participate. So in the last couple of months, I noticed that this side has started to shed more Then this side, I still have the same amount of hair on this side, but this side is starting to shed more. And I'm pretty sure it's because, and I'm sorry if I'm looking off, like, I feel like I'm looking in the camera, but it looks weird. But anyways, I'm pretty sure it's because I only wear my hair parted this way. And whenever I do any kind of style, my hair is always parted this way. And so this section is always left out. I'm always playing in it, always doing this, you know, that type of thing. I do sleep on my left side also, so I'm gonna try to change some habits to try and get this little patch, this little tiny patch to grow in. I did recognize that I had stopped drinking water as often as I used to, so I've started doing that again. I don't really feel the need to take biotin. I'm also gonna put this product to the test. This is the Edge Natural Follicle Enhancer that they sent me. I featured it in a video a couple of weeks ago. I think it was the Tymo hair straightener. So yeah, I'm gonna be putting this on twice a day. I'm not gonna be like manipulating my hair as much. Usually when I wear my hair straight, I don't mess with my hair as much, especially when I'm working. It always gets swooped down, put into a ponytail or a bun. We ain't been going anywhere, so, oh, I've been really bad about tying my hair up. I know. I tell people all the time, make sure you tie your hair up, but y'all, when my head hit the pillow, I ain't trying to get back up, so I have not been tying up my hair. So I'm going to make sure I put back into practice tying up my hair at night and using this product. I'm gonna try this out for a couple weeks and let's see if we get any results. I'm gonna try to document it for you guys so you can see. But here's what it's looking like now. It's just this little sliver right here. This little dry. There's even like, you can't probably see it on the camera, but there's even like a little dry patch right there. Yeah, we about to put it to the test. I'm going to flat iron it straight and trim my ends. I'm in desperate need of trimming, and I did not book an appointment. Yeah, I waited until the last minute to try and book an appointment to get it professionally done. And yeah, that's not gonna work. So I'm gonna have to make it work until I can get in to see my person. I'm gonna be using the Silk Elements heat protectant. A little bit goes a long way. And my Parwin flat iron, I believe this is I think this is 1.5 inch. Yeah, it's 1.5 inch. And I'll link all of my products in the description box below. I want to say about 85% of the stuff I use is from Amazon anyway. Gotta love that Prime, y'all. I'm going to set it to 410. I don't need it to be bone straight. And usually I will always wand curl my hair, but I'm going to fight that urge today and try to wear it straight. Let's tame this beast, y'all. Let's tame it. So this is the standard flat iron process. I'm doing one pass through with the chase method and basically just tapping the roots about 3 or 4 times and then going down the shaft of the hair one time. Usually takes me about 15 minutes or so to get through this. Having the 1.5 inch makes it a lot easier. And here I am getting ready to trim, and this is when I noticed that I need to trim way more than I thought I did. So this is actually going to turn out to be more like a 2-inch haircut, which I'm not mad at because the name of the game for me is not length, it's more so health. And I've had to deal with my hair differently this year. This is the first time I've ever had it bleached. I had it balayaged last December and the color has held up very well, but it did change the way I had to treat my hair because it did dry out my ends a little bit over time, which is another reason why I deep condition with every wash this year. But yeah, this is really essentially the way I trim my ends. Since I can't see the back, I usually just split it down the middle in the back, pull it to the front and try to even it out. I do this because one side of my head grows faster than the other, so it kind of helps to kind of even both sides out in the front. I kind of know which direction to go. Basically cut it horizontal in the front, and then on each side I will pull it out vertically. I think that's what I want to say. No, I will pull the hair out horizontally and then cut vertically. I hope that makes sense. It's easier to do this on other people than it is yourself. But yeah, I wasn't mad at the haircut. I really ended up liking it a lot. It looks a whole lot more healthier, and yeah, that's the name of the game. So I'm gonna let the rest of this play out. I'm essentially just going to apply that follicle enhancer. It does have like a very light hold to it, so I can swoop my edges down, and I'm just gonna bump my ends. And to sleep at night, I am going to pull it in a low bun and tie my hair up, or wrap it depending on how bad the humidity is that day. Usually when I wear my hair straight, I can go up to 4 weeks, anywhere from 3 to 4 weeks with it straight, before I have to wash it again. So yeah, that is it for the video, you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys have a blessed and safe week, and I will catch you guys in the next video. If you are a braid schooler, remember braid school is on Monday, so I will see you back here for that. And oh, don't forget, there is a giveaway happening. The last braid school episode that aired on Monday, I have partnered with Model, and we are giving away some free hair to you guys. So make sure you check that video out if you missed that one. Again, thanks so much for hanging out with me, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.